Some strong statements from the state attorney today on the importance of keeping the victims of last week's sex trafficking bust in 3 local counties top of mind, as it is a serious and scary problem in our state. Dave Aronberg spoke publicly this afternoon, focusing mostly on the warrant for the men accused of soliciting prostitution in the Jupiter Day Spa bus last week. Jupiter was the last local law enforcement agency to announce arrests stemming from an 8-month multi-agency investigation that culminated with hundreds of charges in Martin and Palm Beach counties. The Now's Maris Badcock was there today when the state attorney spoke. She's live with us now with some new information about what is going to happen next. Good afternoon, Maris.
Good afternoon. These are the charging documents for those 25 people, and according to State Attorney Dave Aronberg, Robert Kraft was charged as a Florida resident and his attorney has been served. Now, this means Kraft got a notice to appear. His attorney can appear on his behalf, and it's likely he'll never have to set foot inside a courtroom. According to the charging docs, Kraft was in the Orchids of Asia Day Spa on January 19th and January 20th, the same day as the AFC Championship game, when the New England Pats played the Kansas City Chiefs. Docs show Kraft was in the spa that day for less than 15 minutes and left at least a $100 tip. State Attorney Dave Aronberg was not surprised that this is happening in Palm Beach County and said these crimes often happen in plain sight.
It's about time the country has a real conversation about human trafficking, which is modern-day slavery in our midst. This is not about lonely old men or victimless crimes. This is about enabling a network of criminals to traffic women into our country for forced labor and sex.
Now, those 25 Johns, including Robert Kraft, have been charged with soliciting another to commit prostitution. If convicted, they could face up to a year in jail, a $500,000 fine, have to take a class on the dangers of prostitution and human trafficking, and up to 100 hours of community service. Live from the State Attorney's Office, I'm Maris Badcock, WPTV News Channel 5.